July 3rd, 2026. I got a call from a guy, he said he lost power. When the power came back, now his outside air conditioning unit's not working. So, got a power surge or something. Who knows? We're gonna go by there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Not easy being cheesy, mama. Pretty hot. It's like 96 degrees out today. Really hot. For this, well, for up my way it's hot. 86 is hot around here. Never mind 90, 96. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there if I can.
Turn right on US 6.
She's cooked. Looks like the capacitor might still be good. You got the disconnect pulled. Alright, let's see. Well, I try to do everything I can and I get fucking burnt out. You know? Are you still working?
No, I retired. My daughter bought the business. And she's making way too much money.
Oh, she is?
Yeah, but Daddy's checks are right on time, so Daddy is smiling.
Well, good for her. Good for her that she's doing
great.
well. I mean, a lot of times these kids take over the business and they don't have the mindset that the parents had, and they don't make it.
No, she would have been the only one out of the whole crew. She has good business sense and good business smarts. All she had to do was learn the products and learn the customers. And she's been kicking ass. And I couldn't be happier, you know? What the hell?
Those fucking capacitors. The capacitor's dead, looks like. Good for you. Well, good for her.
Yeah, it's a good problem, yes.
Could be a bad capacitor too, and let's see. Yep. She's flickering back and forth. That means it's no good. We gotta put a new one on there. And you got the power off.
I don't know if the air handler is dated 2022. I don't know how old this thing is.
Same thing, probably.
Yeah.
Got the power off. Microfarads. I just want to make sure I had that on the right thing. I might not have had that on the right thing. Let's check it again. It's hot out, you know.
Oh yeah. At least we're in the shade.
No, microfarads. She's flickering. Kind of like my eyes in the morning, you know. Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to the news, big boy.
Flipping eyes are flickering in the morning. It's like, what the flip? We got the unit off inside, so I don't have to worry about
all the
voltage.
breakers are off, or thermostats are turned off.
Yeah, I get a kick out of these guys. They call you on the phone, right? And I mean, it's 95 degrees out, and they call you and they want you to come like right now. Come right now. Okay, guy. Come right now. 45.5. Wow. All right, let's get a new one in.
Well,
we'll get you going.
You've been in business long enough.
Me?
You don't throw a customer out of my office.
Well, I try to get there as soon as I can, but man.
I appreciate it. I didn't expect to see you today.
Oh, I was talking to a guy on the phone, and he's like demanding on me to come over like right away. It's like, guy, I got 10 other calls ahead of you. Your wife gonna make it?
Oh yeah, she's okay. She just busted up her hip a little bit, you know. So.
You gotta put a good insurance policy on it and push her off the flipping roof.
There you go. They're like she did something.
Yeah, that's what I would do. What we got there? 45.5. There we go. That's the one we want. Let's see if we can get this thing to run. Well, the pressures were off, way off on this thing last time. What do you got here? fried chicken.
That's just from power surge last night. Looks like.
I don't know.
To
be honest with you.
Like I say, I mean, they seem to go on and off clean. There was no.
It looks like it was kind of rusted and shit. Might have you just turned the system on, the AC, or you've been running it?
No, I've been running it.
That's the compressor. That's the Herm part. So I don't know. I don't overthink shit. I try not to. I don't have to overthink things. Herm is the 3-pole. The fan. A little corroded here. The fan is the 1-pole. And then these two are the common. Two of the common. Alright, plug in that disconnect and we'll try it and we'll see if it runs. It ain't gonna come on until I push this connector in. Gotta put that thing in. Yeah, push that. Can you see how to do it?
Yeah.
There you go. In all the way?
It's in all the way.
It's not in all the way.
Huh? No, try it now. There it is. It's upside down.
There we go. Let me put the cover on and we should be good to go. Go ahead and turn it on inside.
Alright.
I know the pressures are wokey on this thing, but
Okay. So you cool if I go call for AC
yeah, go
inside?
turn it on and we'll
Okay, well, you got it.
give it a quick look-see. Way oversized for this flipping house. 4 tons. It should probably be a 2.5. Way oversized. So I'm not surprised. Pressures aren't going to be good. That's for sure. Get them going for now on. This will have air conditioning. This will have AC. I'm getting old, mama. I feel it too. I know the pressures are wokey on this thing. I'm not even going to put my gauge on it. I don't even want to know. This is coming back cold. Coming out here hot. The 410A. Yeah, 410A. This is, I think it's 4 tons. Yeah, 4 tons in a little flipping house like this. Oh, it's working. At least
Guy today.
monster. It's a giant flipping unit, man.
I got a 4 ton in Florida.